Hello and welcome to Crafts with Crystal. Today we're doing a really fun eco craft. We're going to make cute little elephants. So if your kids love elephants, this is the craft for you. Super easy, and you're using things that you already have. A used tissue box. You could use cardboard that you have lying around from a package you received. Something a little bit stronger than paper. That will be used for the body. And my other materials I have here, I'm going to paint my elephant blue, but you can use any colors. You can make pink elephants, purple elephants, gray elephants, elephants with polka dots, whatever you want. Use your imagination. I'm going to make a blue elephant today. So of course, with that paint, we're going to need a paintbrush. And then we're going to use little clothespins as the legs. So I'll show you once we make the body, we're going to put the clothespins on there, and that will be the little legs. I have a pen here. I'm going to draw out the shape of the body just so you see, but you don't really need a pen. And then scissors so you can cut the body out of the cardboard or the tissue box. And then I have some glue and a googly eye. You can always paint on the eye, draw on the eye, or you can glue on a googly eye. Step one, I'm going to draw out the body and the ears of the elephant. So this elephant's going to be a bit small. It's going to be a baby because this is a tissue box. So if you have a cardboard box that's bigger, you can always make a bigger elephant. As you can see, I've drawn a shape for the body, and then I drew out the trunk, the head, and a little tail. You can see it from there. Trunk, body. Fun fact about elephant trunks, they use their trunks to do so many different things. They smell, they can hug, they drink water out of their trunks. Even baby elephants suck on their trunks for comfort, just like human babies. I'm also going to draw out the ears. So the ears are going to be one oval shape. One oval shape. What we're going to end up doing is putting this oval shape through a little cut here to make the elephant ears. All right, so now I'm going to cut these shapes out. This will be the body, and then we'll have these guys be the legs, okay? It will look more like an elephant as we go on. Next, I'm cutting out the ears. All right, so here are the ears of the elephant. What I'm going to do next is cut a little slit right where the ears would go, and I'm going to put the elephant ears through here. So this you'll just kind of eyeball measure it out. So as long as this ear is as big as your slit will be. All right, so I've done the slit and I have the ear. I'm just going to show you, we need to paint these first, but I'm just going to show you more or less how it's going to look. You're going to slip the ears through. So now your little elephant has floppy ears. So next step is to paint your elephant and your elephant ears. As you're painting your elephant's body, any color that you want, you can teach your kids fun facts about elephants, like some of the ones I've already said, or you could tell them, for example, elephants are amazing communicators. They can even communicate through vibrations on the ground to elephants miles away. It's incredible. Now, once you've painted your elephant's body and the elephant ear, you're going to want to put the elephant's ear through the slit. If some of the paint comes off, that's fine. Just paint. You'll just kind of paint around. Some of my paint came off. I'm going to paint around it. So now what we're going to do, we're going to set this aside for just a moment. We're going to paint the legs of our elephant. So as I said, we're using these clothespins as legs. So you can paint your clothespins any color. I'm going to paint the same color, blue. These will be her legs. When you're done with these, you can make a whole family of elephants, all different colors, shapes, and sizes. You can show them at your school. You can raise money for elephants and put them all over the table and talk about how great elephants are and how important they are to our ecosystem. They help the planet so much by spreading seeds as one of the really cool things that they do. Now that I've painted the legs, we're going to put the clothespins on your elephant. Since I have a little elephant, I'm gonna put 2, but you could use 4 clothespins to make their legs. So now, as you can see, they stand on their own. And the last bit is you can either wait for your elephant to dry and draw on eyes with a black marker, or you can glue on a googly eye. My paint is still wet, so I'm gonna use the wet paint to put on my googly eye. Yay! And here you have it, a little elephant that you can prop up, make a family of elephants. You have the trunk, the legs, their little tail. I hope you enjoyed.